Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to delete your WhatsApp status. First, open WhatsApp and navigate to the Status tab. Then, tap on camera icon next to my status to create new status. Capture or choose a photo. Then, post a picture by tapping the send button. Now, we will go and delete the status. In the Status tab, click on My Status to view your current statuses. And you'll see all your active status updates. Now, we will go ahead to delete the status. Tap on three dots next to the status you want to remove. Then, from the drop-down, select Delete. Then confirm by pressing Delete. In conclusion, that's it. You've successfully removed your status on WhatsApp. It's a straightforward process. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!